So what about deleting apps? Let's say that I'm getting just upset with Facebook. I say, I'm not going to use Facebook anymore. I'm going to get rid of it. So I find the icon. I'm doing, let's see, the slide tells me to do my Android first. So here's Android. You touch and hold the desired app until options pop up. But notice you have two options. Very important. Do you want to just remove from the home screen, or do you want to uninstall, get rid of it from your phone altogether? So removing just deletes it from the home screen, and you can add it back. So I want to show you that. Android. And there is my Facebook icon. I touch and hold, also known as long press. Just touch until, and keep your finger on it until something pops up. And here I have the option to remove. So it's gone, right? But let's say a few days go by and I think, oh, I miss my friends on Facebook. I want that icon back. On Android, all you do is swipe up. That shows you your all apps library. You find Facebook. They should be alphabetical here. And there it is. So Facebook is still installed on my phone. And if I just touch and hold, then I can add to home screen and it's back. So you can, in fact, you could have no icons on your home screen and just use them from your all apps if you want to. I want to show you that exact same thing now on iPhone. You touch and hold app until options pop up. Are you getting a message here that this is kind of a magic hidden button is the touch and hold? It's kind of like a right click on a computer. Touch and hold is a secret key to all sorts of things. And on here, you have to tap remove app and then it gives you the two choices. And you can add back something that you've just removed from home screen by going to the app library and dragging the app back to a home screen. So here is the Facebook app on my iPhone. I touch and hold and I have the option to remove app. Then it gives me the choice, remove from home screen or delete app. I'm just going to remove from home screen. Now, how do I get it back? If you go all the way, you have to swipe left to get to the rightmost screen. Very confusing language there. I think this is going right, you know, to the rightmost screen. There's Facebook. And notice here, I don't have the option like on Android to add back to home screen. So what do? You just drag it. Oops. You just drag it and then keep bumping up against the left until you get to the screen where you want it to be and let go. Now, has that moved it off of your app library? No. It's just added the icon to the home screen. Now, what if I really did want to delete an app? Let's say that, yeah, there's this app called Our Village, which was great when we were RVing, but number one, we're not RVing anymore, and number two, Our Village doesn't even exist anymore. How many apps do you have on your phone that you don't use, you haven't used in years?
Oh, come on. I always clean up my home screens right away.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So for the Our Village app, I'm going to touch and hold, choose remove app, and then delete app. And now, if I went to that app library, it would be gone. And on the Samsung, Android, pretty much same thing. Here's National Park Service app. It was great when we were RVing in the US. We're not doing that anymore, so I touch and hold. And instead of remove, which just takes it off the home screen, I'll uninstall. And I can always, if we go back to the US and start RVing again or want to go to a national park, no problem. You just go to your Play Store and reinstall. Okay, so that's understanding more about there's icons on your home screen, and then there's an all apps where your installed apps are.